Hello students, today we shall discuss some MCQ questions with solution of your lesson on equality. Let us start. One of the most common forms of inequality in India is based on wealth, religion, caste, none of the above. The right answer is caste. Who is Om Prakash Valmiki? A social activist, a Dalit leader, a famous Dalit writer, none of these. The right answer is a famous Dalit writer. Om Prakash faced discrimination in the school because he was poor in studies. He was a Dalit boy. His father could not pay the fees regularly. All of these. The right answer is he was a Dalit boy. Landlords refused to give their houses on rent to the Ansari's family because they admit they could not afford to pay high rent. They were Muslim. All the residents of the house were vegetarians. The right answer is they were Muslim. Why did Ansari refuse to change their names? Because they fear punishment from Muslims, because it would mean converting to Hinduism, because they did not wish to lose their identity, because of their dignity and the self-respect. The right answer is because of their dignity and the self-respect. Which provision is not included in the Constitution in recognition of equality? Every person has equal access to educational facility. Every person is equal before the law. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of caste, religion, sex, place of birth, etc. Every person has access to all public places. Here, the right answer is every person has equal access to educational facilities. Which one of these is not a positive effect of midday meal scheme? Reduction in caste juries, higher attendance in schools, mothers do not need to interrupt their works, a reduction in hunger among the poor students. Here, the right answer is mothers do not need to interrupt their works. In spite of the law, why has discrimination not completely stopped in our society? Because people do not fear the law, because the law is not strict, because attitudes change very slowly, because the lawbreakers bribe the police. Here, the right answer is because attitudes change very slowly. Rosa Parks is associated with American Revolution, Civil War, women franchise movement, civil rights movements. The right answer is civil rights movements. Democracy all over the world face the challenge of enforcing complete equality and dignity, removal of poverty, removal of illiteracy, none of the above. The right answer is equality and dignity. Thank you.